Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the differentiate between multiplexer and demultiplexer. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic, the difference between the multiplexer and demultiplexer. So here we'll have the first column, parameters available. In the second column we'll see what is available in multiplexer. Third column, demultiplexer. First, definition. What is the definition of multiplexer? Multiplexer is a digital switch which allows digital information from several sources to be routed onto a single output line, right? Several inputs with a single output, right? So 2 to the power n inputs with only one output. That is the basic definition of the multiplexer. Multiplexer means multiple things are available but the output is only one, right? In that what we need is n selection lines. We need n selection lines, right? So this n selection line will decide which of the inputs should be available at the output, right? This control is done by the selection line, right? N number of 2 to the power n number of inputs, only one output, that is controlled by n selection lines. Then demultiplexer, that's the opposite. Demultiplexer is a circuit that receives information on a single line, only one information, and transmit this information on one of the 2 to the power n possible output lines, right? One information that is converted into 2 to the power n possible outputs, that is the available in the demultiplexer, that is 1 is to 2 to the power n with n selection lines, right? Just opposite to the of the multiplexer. Only one input is divided into n number, 2 to the power n number of outputs, that is controlled by the n selection lines, right? So this is the basic definition. Now we'll see the other parameter. What are the other parameters available? So the number of input is 2 to the power n. Here only one. Number of output data is here 1. In multiplexer only one, demultiplexer 2 to the power n, right? So 2 to the power n is to 1 input, this is one output. Here one input, 2 to the power n output. Relationship of input and output, many to one, many to only one output, one to many, one input is converted into many outputs, right? What are the applications? That is very important. Used as a data selector. N number of inputs are there. In that we will select the particular data. For example, if you want to play the song is available, maybe available in the mobile, or maybe available in the system, or maybe available in the USB, whatever may be, it can be played in a player and you can listen in the speaker, right? So the data may be available, the song may be available in different devices, but final output is only one. We can play the song and listen in the speaker. We can play from the computer or USB or from the mobile, whatever may be. So it is used as a data selector. We can select any one device. Used as data distributor. One data is distributed to many lines. There is a distributor. It is selector. Many data is available, in that we are selecting. Here only one data is available, that is distributed. In time division multiplexing at the transmitting end. At the transmitting end, it is also a time division multiplexing. At the same time here, in time division multiplexing at the receiving end. At the receiving end, we are using the demultiplexer, because 2 to the power n outputs are available. Here 2 to the power n inputs are available at the input end, transmitting end is available in the receiving end. So we can go for a time division multiplexing at transmitting end, that is 2 to the power n inputs. At the receiving end, that is 2 to the power n outputs, right? So this is the application of the multiplexer and demultiplexer. So in this video we discuss what are the parameters, similar and difference between the multiplexer and demultiplexer. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.